Hello everyone, so we are back again with another Olympiad question, and I know this question is very easy. 11th 12th graders or anybody else who has a hold on the Olympiad questions can do it in hardly, like they just look at it and done, the question is done, right? But if we have to do this question like properly, and what is the working out method, let's do it here. And suppose somebody has started doing the Olympiad questions, so for them you can write it like this, because sometimes you can get so overwhelmed, like, oh my god, so many x's are there, or so many variable, or something like that. Okay, so as we know, the repetitive addition, like 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, like that, repetitive addition can also be known as multiplication. The number itself, how many times it's coming, right? Okay. And repetitive multiplication, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, can also be known as power. So the number itself and how many times it's coming, like in multiplication, so it would become power, right? So can I write my left hand side as 3 times x? Yes. And can I write my right hand side as x power 3, right? Okay, now I can see I have cubic equation, right? So I'm gonna do, let's take this on both sides. 3x minus x cube is equals to 0, right? Let's take negative common, so x cube minus 3x is equals to 0, right? Taking x common, x square minus 3 is equals to 0. Now, I hope you all know by now the difference of squares, right? This is x's square, this is a difference. Whose square is 3? Oh, we are big enough to understand square roots, so here we are. Times already x is equals to 0. Now, two factors you can see. Either this is equals to 0 or this bracket is equals to 0. So, x is equals to 0, or x square minus root 3 whole square is equals to 0, right? Now, x is equals to 0 is one of my answers, like roots, the zeros, the solutions. Here, let's take this on the other side, right? Now, square rooting it again. When you square root it, answer would be plus minus, right? Because you know, when you square root any like equation, you do this, right? Now, continuing, it becomes x, it becomes plus, this cancels this, root 3 or minus root 3, right? So I have two more answers, and as you know, my equation was a cubic one, so I can get at most 3 roots, right? I tried to get them all, and here we are. So the answers of our this equation is x is equals to 0, root 3, negative root 3. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, that's it for today. I hope you understood the question, and do subscribe. Okay, bye.